Welcome to the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Imagine a digital form of money, free from banks and governments. That's cryptocurrency in a nutshell. It's like virtual gold, but instead of coins, you have digital tokens. These tokens are stored and traded securely on a digital ledger called a blockchain. Cryptocurrencies use cryptography for security, making transactions safe and sound. This groundbreaking technology is changing the way we think about money and finance. Think of it as the Internet of money, connecting people directly without intermediaries. Ready to explore this new frontier? Let's dive in and discover how cryptocurrency can empower your financial future. From Bitcoin to Ethereum and beyond, the world of crypto offers a diverse range of opportunities. Whether you're looking to invest, trade, or simply learn, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to navigate the crypto landscape confidently. Let's unravel the magic behind cryptocurrency's blockchain technology. Imagine a digital ledger, like a giant accounting book, that records every transaction publicly and permanently. This ledger is not stored in one place, but across a network of computers. This decentralized system ensures transparency and security, making it nearly impossible to tamper with. Each block in the chain contains a record of multiple transactions. Once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be altered, ensuring the integrity of the system. This revolutionary technology is not limited to cryptocurrencies. It has the potential to transform various industries, from supply chain management to healthcare. Understanding blockchain is key to grasping the true potential of cryptocurrencies. Looking for ways to earn extra income? Cryptocurrencies offer exciting opportunities to boost your earnings in the digital age. One popular option is crypto trading. Just like trading stocks, you can buy low and sell high, profiting from the price fluctuations of cryptocurrencies. Another avenue is crypto mining, where you use your computer's processing power to validate transactions and earn rewards in cryptocurrency. Additionally, you can explore staking, lending your crypto holdings to earn interest, similar to a savings account but with potentially higher returns. Remember, crypto markets can be volatile, so it's crucial to start small, do your research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Treat it as a side hustle, not a get-rich-quick scheme, and you'll be on the right track to potentially supplementing your income with crypto. Ready to dip your toes into the world of crypto trading? Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, you'll need to choose a cryptocurrency exchange, a platform where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Popular options include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken, each with its own fees and features. Once you've selected an exchange, you'll need to create an account and go through a verification process to comply with security regulations. Next, fund your account using a bank transfer or debit card, and you're ready to start trading. Remember, crypto markets are open 24/7, so you can trade anytime. Start by investing small amounts and gradually increase your exposure as you gain experience. It's a journey of learning and exploration, so be patient, stay informed, and you'll be well on your way to navigating the exciting world of crypto trading. Choosing your trading platform, a guide for newbies. With countless cryptocurrency exchanges available, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. Don't worry, we're here to guide you through the selection process. Firstly, consider your trading experience. If you're a beginner, opt for user-friendly platforms like Coinbase or Kraken, known for their intuitive interfaces and helpful resources. More experienced traders might prefer exchanges with advanced charting tools and order types, such as Binance or Bitfinex. Security should be a top priority. Look for exchanges with two-factor authentication, cold storage for funds, and a solid reputation for security. Fees can vary significantly, so compare trading fees, deposit withdrawal fees, and any other charges. Lastly, check if the exchange supports the cryptocurrencies you're interested in trading. By carefully considering these factors, you can select an exchange that aligns with your needs and risk tolerance. Safeguarding your digital wealth security tips for crypto investors. Cryptocurrency investments, while potentially lucrative, come with inherent security risks. Protecting your digital assets is paramount. First and foremost, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on all your crypto accounts. This adds an extra layer of security, requiring a unique code from your phone or email in addition to your password. Be wary of phishing scams. Double-check website URLs and never share your private keys or passwords with anyone. Consider using a hardware wallet, a physical device that stores your private keys offline, providing the highest level of security. Choose strong, unique passwords for each of your crypto accounts and avoid using public Wi-Fi for trading or accessing your wallets. By implementing these security measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access to your valuable crypto holdings. Mastering the basics. Essential crypto trading strategies. Navigating the world of crypto trading requires understanding some fundamental strategies. One common approach is day trading, buying and selling cryptocurrencies within a single day to capitalize on short-term price fluctuations. This strategy demands time, attention, and a keen eye for market trends. Another approach is swing trading, holding cryptocurrencies for a few days to weeks, aiming to profit from price swings within a larger trend. This strategy requires patience and the ability to identify potential entry and exit points. Long-term investing, or hodling, hold on for dear life, involves holding cryptocurrencies for months or years, believing in their long-term growth potential. This strategy requires patience, conviction, and the ability to stomach market volatility. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all approach. The best strategy for you depends on your risk tolerance, time commitment, and financial goals. It's crucial to research, experiment, and find what works best for you. Diversification and risk management. Protecting your crypto investments. Diversification is a fundamental principle in any investment strategy, and cryptocurrencies are no exception. Just like you wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket, it's crucial to spread your crypto investments across multiple assets. This helps mitigate risk by reducing your exposure to the volatility of any single cryptocurrency. Consider investing in a mix of established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as promising altcoins with strong fundamentals. Additionally, allocate a portion of your portfolio to stablecoins, cryptocurrencies pegged to stable assets like the US dollar, to preserve capital during market downturns. Remember, diversification doesn't eliminate risk entirely, but it helps manage it more effectively. By spreading your investments, you can potentially enhance returns while minimizing the impact of losses. Navigating the crypto jungle. Avoiding common pitfalls. The world of cryptocurrency, while exciting, is not without its pitfalls. By being aware of these common traps, you can navigate the crypto jungle more safely and confidently. One common mistake is FOMO, or the fear of missing out. Don't let emotions dictate your investment decisions. Avoid rushing into trades based on hype or speculation. Do your research, understand the fundamentals of the project, and invest only what you can afford to lose. Another pitfall is falling for scams. Be wary of get-rich-quick schemes, promises of guaranteed returns, and suspicious investment opportunities. Stick to reputable exchanges, research projects thoroughly, and never share your private keys with anyone. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. By staying informed, being cautious, and avoiding impulsive decisions, you can navigate the crypto landscape more safely and increase your chances of success. The future is decentralized. Embrace the potential of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is more than just a digital currency. It's a revolutionary technology with the potential to reshape finance and empower individuals globally. As you've learned, cryptocurrencies offer opportunities for financial inclusion, borderless transactions, and greater control over your assets. While the journey may seem daunting at first, remember that knowledge is power. Continue to educate yourself, stay informed about market trends, and approach crypto with a cautious yet optimistic mindset. The future of finance is decentralized, and by embracing the potential of cryptocurrency, you can be a part of this exciting evolution. Remember, knowledge is power in the world of cryptocurrency. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your strategy, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tips and insights. We love hearing from you, so drop your thoughts in the comments below. Together, let's navigate the exciting realm of cryptocurrency and achieve financial success. See you in the next video.